welcome everybody to the CashFX presentation here tonight in English. My name is Ron Pope, and I'm excited to be spending this time with you guys. So let's go ahead and jump on into it and find out what this is all about. So first off, what's the Forex market? Let's start there. Well, the Forex market is the largest, most liquid financial market in the world, trading over $5.3 trillion daily. If you took all the other global markets combined, it trades more daily than they do in a month. So we're talking about a massive market here, and it's historically proven to be recession-proof. It's the most flexible market there is. It's so large it allows money management and risk management strategies to be implemented here, and your capital can be leveraged to maximize gains 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Now, who is CashFX and how do they fit into all of this? Well, CashFX is a team of project management experts specializing in the financial markets, all right? Our highly trained education team is focused on the guidance and success of our trading members. Our CashFX corporate offices are located in our educational floor, located in Panama City, Panama. Our brokers fall under multiple regulation authorities, FCA, DFSA, FSCA, and FSA. Now, I know the owners to CashFX, the founders behind it, and I can personally attest to the fact that it's being built on certain values here, such as the transparency, honesty, and respect to and for our CashFX family. I'm one of those family members, guys. So when we look at this and evaluate this company, just understand that it's being built from the ground up with those values intact. The mission is to offer world-class Forex trading performance while providing a personalized and professional academy program for the purpose of improving the financial lives of our CashFX family around the world. Now, CashFX went into a pre-launch just a few weeks ago. I think it's been 5 weeks, going on 6 weeks right now, and they've spread the globe already. They're over 50 countries and just absolutely exploding. The excitement is it's intoxicating. So it's neat to see so many people finally winning in this space. CashFX trading success. Success is achieved with a combination of a live professional proprietary algorithms, AI, bots. So it's a very complex system that's been put into place here to maximize and optimize the gains. We manage all trading systems from our own facilities. Our team of professionals have extensive experience in both Forex trading and EA design and management. Now, the marketing tools, I get asked all the time, hey, is there going to be marketing tools for CashFX? Yes, there actually is, and I can attest that it will be top shelf stuff here, guys. I'm president, CEO of the Conversion Pros. We accepted the contract to do all the back-end programming, all the commission tracking. We'll be doing all the marketing systems, compliance systems, e-learning systems. And when it comes to the marketing tools, I've got a team of about 50 guys that work for the Conversion Pros doing exactly that. They've worked for Fortune 100, Fortune 500 companies and putting together just absolutely top-notch marketing materials, everything from banners that'll go on every single social media platform, Google, Facebook, you name it. We're building the assets for all that. We'll have different assets that you can put right on your website, blogs, things like that. We'll also have a full funnel system, autoresponder series, pre-written and ready for you guys. So these are all being developed behind the scenes right now, and they're not too far off that they'll be rolled out to each and every one of you to be able to literally blow up your downlines. So very, very exciting times that we're in here. CashFX took off so fast that occasionally we do find ourselves playing a little bit of catch up, but that's okay. I mean, it means there's a lot of people excited about this opportunity. The Academy. This is absolutely important, guys, that you understand the core product here, okay, is the Academy. It's the educational course. All right. Yeah, there's other caveats to, CashFX, but the main product here is the Academy. CashFX Academy program is the key to your CashFX business. Okay. Every trading contract has a specific section of our trading curriculum included in it. All right. So the Academy curriculum is progressive, meaning that as you increase your package that you purchase or upgrade into, so will your education. You'll continue to increase through preset levels of education. It's broken into 3 separate series: elemental, supreme, and advanced. Within those, there are 10 different educational courses that you need to go through. 4 on the elemental, 3 on supreme, and 3 on the advanced. Okay, elemental, it's just as it sounds. It's basically Forex 101. You learn the basics about Forex to get familiar with the terms and concepts of it. Then you have the Supreme series, which takes you further into the Forex concepts and techniques. You learn advanced skills that will serve as a foundation for your success when and if you choose to set up and manage your own account. That is the ultimate goal here with CashFX, is to be able to empower you guys to take over your own trading at one point in time here. But to just hand you the system, the software, download it on your phone, that's not going to do any good for you. You need to be able to understand the power that's behind it. So CashFX gives you the opportunity to see that happening. You get to earn while you learn. Okay, so while you're going through this and learning it, CashFX is doing the trading and showing you the type of results that you can expect when you get up and running on your own as well. So one, educate you; 2, empower you. All right. And then you go on to the Advanced Professional Series, which introduces you to the most challenging aspects of Forex mastery. It's one of the most important things. I spent years in the Forex market, options market, stocks markets. But my time spent in the Forex market was really eye-opening because, as we stated at the beginning, it's the largest market in the world. And the amount of leverage, you deal in pips, not points, things like that you guys will learn. But the number one thing I had to learn early on was the psychology of professional trading, separating yourself from your money. If you are emotionally tied to your money, you're going to make mistakes. All right. So how do you separate that? How do you get confident in the fact that your trades are going to work? That's where CashFX comes through, so that you can feel that confidence and move forward with that mindset of a professional trader. All right. Not emotionally tied to your money. Now, let's talk about the different packages within the different educational series here, such as your elemental series. It's 4 different package levels, 300 through 2000. All right. Each one of those, you'll notice 30% of each package goes towards the educational course. All right. Now, as I stated earlier, you can earn while you learn. All right. And we'll get into that in a little bit, but I'm going to show you how you can earn back the cost of your education. All right. I don't know too many educational courses that will give you the ability to earn that back through the same program. So elemental, 300 through 2000. 30% goes towards the course. The rest goes into your trading account. Then you go on to your Supreme package. Again, as you go through each package, you're increasing your educational level. Okay. And through the e-learning system, you'll have multiple different videos and written and quizzes, things like that, to make sure that you're absorbing this stuff and you're really learning this. All right. So that you can go and change your life and never have to look back. So knowledge is power here, guys. Supreme goes through 5,000 through 20,000. Same thing here. 30% goes towards your educational package. The rest goes to earn you some, get you earnings, I should say, on the rest of your package amount. Advanced Professional Series. This is the $30,000 through $50,000 package. Okay, that 30,000 is a magic number, and I'm going to come back to that later on when we talk a little bit more about some of the compensation plan. Okay, I'll explain why that's a magic number. But 30,000, keep that in the back of your head. You want to get there as quick as you can. Now, again, 30% of every single package goes towards your education. The other 70% goes into the trade account to help you earn while you learn. Now, CashFX rewards plan. This is very unique. There's a lot of industry firsts involved in what we're about to go over here, guys. The benefits that are easy to qualify for. And I was explaining it to a leader earlier today, and he's like, wow, it's really that simple. Yeah, it's really this simple. Very simple to qualify for, along with a concept that accelerates your team building and earning success. There's 2 ways to get paid. Bear capital and bull capital. Now, when I know what you're thinking, okay? And take the bull and the bear and don't try and relate it to the traditional term of bull and bear when it comes to the trading market. It's a play on words here that CashFX chose to do, and I think it's pretty fun. So the bear capital, what is that? think of a bear as someone who wants to put their money in, sit back, and wait for that to bring them some kind of return. So they focus on the education. They don't really refer anybody else to CashFX, and that's totally fine if that's your choice of what you want to do with it. But you sit back, you put your money in, you get your education, start going through that, and you let your package earn for you while you learn. All right, that's a bear. A bull, think of a bull as somebody who's hard charging. Someone who comes into this, sees the return starting to happen, and goes, I need to refer some people to this. I've got to get on board with this. All right, so you start referring people in. As soon as you do that, you enter into the bull capital side of things. All right. So on the bear capital, you have the ability to earn up to 2x of your original package that you purchased. So in this example, on this page, a $2,000 package, you'd be able to earn $4,000 on that on the bear side. Okay. Now on the bull side, as soon as you refer just one person, that opens you up to be able to start earning what we refer to as bull capital. And you can earn up to another 2x of your original package value. So if you're sitting right now at a $2,000 package, you can earn another 2x on that, or another $4,000. What that means is that your full potential on a $2,000 package would be up to $8,000 that you could earn on that. Okay, pretty incredible while you're sitting there learning how to trade. So pretty exciting. Now, each trade contract includes the leadership program points, or what we call PV. Okay, earn PV for your growing team, and that becomes GPV, or group point volume. Okay, and that allows you to advance to further ranks and reward plan levels. So let me give you an example here of what I'm referring to. On the $2,000 package, you have $600 of that, which is going to go to your educational portion. Okay, your educational package. Now, 100% of that, guys, is paid back to the field or to the sales reps, okay, in way of commission. Half of it goes to the fast start bonus. So out of the $600 that goes back to the field, $300 of that gets paid to the person who brought you to the program immediately in real time. So as soon as your funds are confirmed on the blockchain, boom, that fast start gets released to the person who invited you here. The other $300 goes into the unilevel bonus, or your team bonus. Okay, so you will get to earn on up to 10 levels deep. We'll go through that, but each package that's sold, half of the educational course price goes into the unilevel. All right, so pretty exciting there. We'll dig deeper into this. I'll show you some numbers and how that all looks. Okay, our trading results. Again, I'm going to go back to the product here for a second, guys, because it's really, really important that you understand we're not dealing with a company here. CashFX is not a company that's struggling to meet its numbers. Okay, I spent some time with the founders out in Orlando, Florida recently, and it absolutely blew my mind. Again, I have history in the Forex market, options markets, and so on, and I'm used to some very good returns monthly. What I saw out there blew my mind. Okay, they use a combination of expert advisors, professional traders that develop the algorithms that feed the bots, tell the bot what to do. All right. At the same time, they're telling the bot what to do. They have an AI system, or artificial intelligence, that hovers and watches everything and learns everything, and can actually help come up with new algorithms as time goes on. So if you've ever developed a bot, you know how important it is that you constantly develop new algorithms to feed into that bot, because your algorithm, as the market changes, will not last forever. So that's the key here, guys, is a constant development of new algorithms. All right. And it's done through, like I say, a combination of expert advisors, professional traders, AI, bots, and then the algorithms that's being created to feed that. So pretty exciting. There's no guarantees in professional Forex trading. Okay. This bonus also varies depending on what happens Monday through Friday during the trading. Okay. Was it successful? CashFX has set a maximum trade earnings of 15% per week. Now, again, you're probably sitting there going, wow, 15% per week. That's incredible. All right. From what I saw in Orlando, that's conservative. This CashFX has the ability to generate far more than that. And they don't have to put 100% of the money that comes in into trade. All right. There's their money management, their risk management goes into play. That is so genius. And the fact that most of your large trading companies don't put all their money into play. All right. They always have that rainy day fund. So you and I, as we're, involved in this and we're part of that CashFX family and, we're looking for those good returns each day. Okay. If the market if they have a bad day in the market, they still have those backup funds. All right. So that's ensuring our longevity of the program. Capping us at 15% per week, that's 60% a month. That's pretty dang incredible, first off. All right. And you can always upgrade your package. So that 15% is of whatever package size you have. All right. So if you start at 300, 15% of that is going to be obviously a lot less than a $30,000 package. All right. So think about that. It's the percentage of the package in which you have. And then it's 70% of that package. Remember, the other 30% went to the education. Okay. But CashFX is not struggling to meet those 15% per week obligation in which they have. So that's very, very important. This bonus accelerates the bear capital side of things. Remember, I said there's two different sides of it. Okay. So we're going to get deeper into that here. The fast start bonus. An Academy pack is part of every CashFX trade contract. Okay. The Academy pack, again, as I've stated multiple times, that's the core product, and 30% of your overall package goes to cover your education. That's your Academy pack. Okay. Up to 100% of that value is paid back out to the field. Each time a new Academy pack is purchased, half of the value is paid out through the Fast Start, as I just showed you, and the other half is distributed into the CashFX Unilevel bonus. All right, you earn a Fast Start bonus every time you refer someone to CashFX, every single time. Okay, so when they come in and they click the confirm button and then they go choose their package. So there's a couple of steps there. Okay, so they get an email, they click the confirm, and then once that's done, about 15 minutes later or so, the blockchain confirms those funds, it clears, you get your Fast Start, and now your referred person is able to get in and start doing stuff in their back office. All right. But every single person that buys a package that you referred, you will get that Unilevel bonus on. All right. That right there, guys, Fast Start, that pays the on the bull capital side of things. Okay, because you had to refer someone. So always think about that. Okay, so what differentiates between a bear and a bull? As I said at the beginning, a bear is someone who hasn't referred anyone, and a bull is someone who does refer people. You refer even one person and you start entering into the bull side of things. So this one here, you had to refer someone in order to generate the Fast Start. Therefore, it's a bull capital. Okay, let's move on to the 50% Unilevel bonus. If you choose to participate on the referral program or enter into the bull side of things, you will earn additional commissions as your team continues to grow. So you start off with that Fast Start bonus that you'll see within minutes of them buying their package. And then remember that other part of the educational package went into the Unilevel bonus, and here's how you get paid out on it. There are 10 levels of growth that you can be rewarded on. Okay, so levels 1 through 4, you get 10% of all the monies from your lineage that is dumped into the Unilevel. Pretty cool. But look at levels 5 and 6. You get 20%. That's incredible. So you want to start building out your levels as fast as you can. Level 7 and 8, you get 5%. 9 and 10, you get 5%. Okay. But then you also enter into the Presidential Club. At the Presidential Club, you'll get an extra 1% on that level. And then you're going to get, when you advance even further into the lifestyle ranks and become an ambassador and global ambassador, you start earning 1.5 to 2% to infinity. All right. So it's very important you understand that. That's to infinity, guys. So there's no cutoff on that. That's one of the industry first. That's incredible right there. So again, you had to refer someone to get your Unilevel bonuses started. So this feeds the bull capital. Okay. Let's see. Let's go on to the force matrix side of things. Now, this is interesting, guys. This is something that feeds the bear capital side of things. But you might be saying, no, wait a minute. How's that possible? Well, let me explain how that's possible. The residual matrix bonus is paid from CashFX 20% withdrawal fee. Okay, where's that coming from? Where's that withdrawal fee coming from? Okay, so when you enter in, all right, you're paying in with Bitcoin, you're buying your package, you're starting to generate through referrals, through your trade earnings, and so on and so forth. You're starting to generate a balance that's available for you to pull out. Now, a lot of people say, well, can I upgrade with that balance? No, you can't. It's a legality issue. So you cannot upgrade with your balance. You must withdraw from your balance and then use that or whatever funds you want to upgrade, okay, to the next package level. You always want to stay in front of what we refer to as your cap, all right? So when you start getting close to your 2x on the bull or the bear, our system will notify you in your back office, hey, you're at 185% of your bull or your bear cap. You might want to upgrade now to avoid losing any earnings or commissions, okay? So very important you understand that. Let's make sure that we stay ahead of our caps, our bull and our bear caps, okay? Now, when you go to withdraw funds, you are going to be charged a 20% withdrawal fee. That withdrawal fee, guys, is very important to understand. That 20% withdrawal fee is not profit to CashFX. It is actually a unique and deliberate strategy to create a constant residual reward for all of us. Okay? So it's not a profit center for CashFX. They give it all back. How do they give it all back? Well, the 20% fee is divided into 3 different bonuses. 50% of that withdrawal fee goes into the matrix. Okay? Well, if you've purchased an educational package and you've chosen to have CashFX trade for you while you learn, okay, you end up in the matrix. Maybe you haven't referred anybody, but your upline does, okay, and anybody upline of you does. Well, that's going to force matrix. It's going to force people down underneath of you, okay, and then each time they withdraw, so they either want to take money home or they want to upgrade or whatever the case may be, whatever they want to do with those funds, okay, when they withdraw, 20% is charged. Half of that goes into this matrix. And it's pretty incredible. You're getting 3% on the first 3 levels, okay? You're getting 5% on your 4th level, which is about 81 people on your 4th level. Then it goes to 6% on 200 people of your 5th level. 10%. But look at the 7th level here, guys. 7th and 8th even. 30% and 20%. And then on your 9th and 10th, you're getting 10%. You might be saying, well, why is it dropped down? Well, if you've never done this type of a program before and you're not familiar with Matrix, you need to understand the exponential growth of the Matrix. You're talking about on the 9th level, 19,683 people you're getting 10% of every single withdrawal they're doing, okay? Or half of every single withdrawal that they're doing, you get paid 10% of. All right. On your 10th level, you got 59,049 people. Your overall matrix, guys, is 88,572 people. So then the real question is, how much are they withdrawing each month? How big is their package? How fast are they referring? Okay. So start thinking about all of that. But you could literally be sitting there and never refer anyone, and you're overriding all of that. That's how it feeds into the Bear Capital side. Right? So 50% of the withdrawal fee goes into the matrix. So that's 10% of every withdrawal fee. 10%. Okay. I don't want to complicate that too much. So I'm just going to leave it as 20% withdrawal fee. Half of that goes in the matrix. 10% goes to the matching check bonus, and 40% goes to the leadership rank bonuses. We'll talk about those here in a little bit as well. Force matrix 3x10. Guys, it's actually a hybrid, okay? I know we just covered the bear side of it, but it's also feeds on the bull side, all right? Now, I told you earlier the $30,000 package was, kind of a hot button, kind of a key point to get to. Why is that? Well, there's no actual rank requirement to override all 10 levels of the matrix because you don't have to refer anyone to play in the matrix, okay? So how do you override all 10 levels? It's a $30,000 package allows you to override all 10 levels. All right. So there's where the key is. The $30,000 package opens up all 10 levels to you. So you want to be advancing yourself to that $30,000 package as fast as you can. Now, where does that, and all that feeds into the bear side. Now, what feeds into the bull side? Okay. Well, the bull side is the 10% personal matching check on anyone you refer to CashFX, anything that they make within the matrix. Okay. So let's say that you refer John, and John gets paid $1,000 this month from the matrix. Okay. From all those people withdrawing and from all their withdrawal fees, John ends up with $1,000 in matrix income. Well, you're going to get $100 because that's a 10% check match. You didn't have to do anything other than refer John to the program. But as soon as you refer John to the program, okay, you entered into the bull side. That's why it's a hybrid. So it feeds the bear and the bull. Hope that makes sense for you guys. Now, let's talk about the leadership program. This gets really, really exciting here, guys. All right. So you start off, you're working your way towards executive. That's 500 personal volume, 3 referrals, 7,000 group volume. That's not real difficult to do. Okay. That's very, very simple to do, actually. So you buy a package, and it'll show you how much point volume you get on every single package at the time that you choose that package. Right. So once you reach that 500 point volume, I want to point something out here. It's all you ever need in personal volume. Look, you got 500 on every single position all the way to global ambassador. So your total obligation, get yourself 500 PV. To become executive, get 3 referrals and a group volume of 7,000. Okay. Then you advance to manager, same 500 PV. So I won't bring that up anymore. Every one of these only requires 500 personal volume. Okay. But now you need 25,000 group volume and 2 executives from 2 lineages. Okay. Then you become a director when you hit 100,000 group volume and you have 2 managers from 2 lineages. So on each position, you have 3 different legs to build out. So when you refer to lineage, that's 3 different lineages that you can build out there. Okay. Presidential, ambassador, global ambassador. Now you're getting in the leadership side of all of this, and this is where it gets exciting. Here you're talking about, like fancy trips, luxury trips, cars. Who knows what the company is going to decide to do as different bonuses and incentives on top of the extra override that you're going to get. As a president, as part of the President's Club, you need 500,000 group volume. It unlocks 1% global bonus to infinity. You need 3 directors from 3 different lineages. Okay. Ambassador, you need 2 million group volume, 3 presidents from 2 different lineages, and you unlock 1.5% global bonus to infinity on the unilevel. And then you got your global ambassador, 5 million group volume, 3 ambassadors from 2 lineages, and now you just unlock 2% global bonus to infinity. That obviously feeds into the bull capital, guys. I have really enjoyed spending this time here with you guys and helping you understand the CashFX group overview and business model. Get back to the person who invited you to this call so that they can help you choose your package and get started. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great night.